Welcome to Dr. Chloe's clinic. Hello, everyone. I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic question posed by one of our curious viewers, Elizabeth. Let's connect with Elizabeth and explore her question together. Hi, Elizabeth. Your question caught my attention while I was browsing through the comments on one of my videos. I thought it would be perfect to explore with you. Thanks for sparking this conversation. Could you ask your question again for our viewers?
Hi, Dr. Chloe. I was wondering, why do something float on water when it's lighter and sink when it's heavier?
That is a fantastic question, Elizabeth. Interestingly, how heavy or light it is doesn't affect it as much as the concept we're about to explore. Consider a small penny and a big piece of wood. Even though the wood is bigger and heavier, it floats. On the other hand, a small penny sinks. It's all about density. Let's find out what density is. Everything around us is made of tiny, invisible particles, like marbles. The way these particles are packed together determines how dense something is. Imagine two balloons, same size, but filled with different numbers of marbles. One has lots of marbles packed tightly. The other has fewer marbles spread out. The balloon with more marbles sinks, while the one with fewer marbles floats. If the marbles were all packed tightly together, that's similar to how particles would look in a dense object. But if the marbles were spaced far apart, that would resemble particles in something less dense. Elizabeth, can you guess why oil floats on water?
Is it because oil is less dense than water?
Exactly! It's like the case with ice and water. Ice is less dense than water, which is why it floats on the water's surface. If you're interested in learning more about this topic, I have another video on my channel specifically discussing ice and water. Feel free to check it out.
Wow, that makes so much sense! Thanks, Dr. Chloe, for explaining density.
You're welcome, Elizabeth. I'm glad it clicked for you. Keep being curious and asking great questions. Before we go, I want to touch on another important concept related to floating and sinking: buoyancy. Buoyancy is the magic that determines whether something floats or sinks in a fluid, like water. But there's much more to explore about buoyancy, so be sure to check out our next video where we'll dive deeper into this fascinating topic. See you soon! Do you have any questions? Leave them in the comments with your name, and I'll do my best to answer by creating a video like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your participation encourages me to continue creating content. Thank you for joining our journey at Curiosity Meets Answers.